Welcome to Wes Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today is Dudi Day. So this is Lauki. In Hindi it is Lauki. In English it is bottle gourd, and in Konkani we say Dudi. So it is white Dudi. You make lots and lots of things out of this one item. You can do many things. And today I am trying to do Dudi pav bhaji. So I am not using all. I will be using half of this. So it is nicely washed, and I will take half of this. It's nice tender, and I will scrape this part. I will scrape this part all. You can also do like this, and it gets nicely scraped. You don't have to remove the skin also. Or if you have a scraper, you can do with scraper also. Like this. So this is the way also you can clean your Dudi. So this is a tip from us to you. And yeah, so after cleaning, I will chop this into fine. And I will pressure cooker it for 1 whistle, because I want it to be nicely smashed or mashed it. Okay. So here it is. I have blended nicely. Now I will cut in between. It is very tender. When you take a smaller Dudis, they are very tender. Now if you want, you can, as this is tender, it is going to be very nice. So I am going to use all this seeds, but if you don't want to eat this seeds, then you can remove it like this, and then balance you can chop. So I am going to use these two for my pav bhaji. So now I have chopped my this vegetable. So I am using 1 onion, 1 tomato, half of capsicum, 1 chili which is not spicy, it's the non-spicy chili, 1 teaspoon of garlic, and 2 potatoes, small one, boiled it is. And I will be using some lime juice and ginger garlic paste and pav bhaji masala, along with my turmeric powder, coriander powder. I start, and this is my boiled bottle gourd or lauki or dudi. It is nicely boiled. And I will tell you one thing about this. You know, in Northeast, in India, most of the families, because they are coming from poor background, and also they don't like very much spicy, that is also there. So this is their most easy food in their home, you will find. They don't make curries and all. Mostly they don't make curries. Every day they make this. And this dish name is champut. Champut. So it is like boiled vegetable with salt, and they will eat this with rice. And some chutney they take of garlic and the chili that is called spiciest chili of Northeast. They will crush it together, and they will have this with rice. So this is called champut. So let's start. Oil like around 2 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon, you can say. And I will add to this 1 teaspoon of cumin. And I will fry my garlic in this. There are different ways of making pav bhaji. This is my way. So first we'll fry our onion. And add the ginger garlic paste to this side, around 1 teaspoon. The onions are fried. Now the turn is of tomatoes. Now the chilies will go inside this, and capsicum too. Fry this nicely. Now the turn is of our masalas. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I am adding Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon and a cumin seed of half teaspoon. So these are the masalas of that. Fry this nicely. Now we'll add our salt to taste. Salt is according to your taste. Add this potato like this only. Then we will mash it. Now we will add our pav bhaji masala to this. So I will take around 2 spoons of this. So 1 and 2. Okay. This is my measurement. You can use your measurement. Add this little water, which is I boil my Loki. And now this is the time my Loki will go in this. And now we can fry a little bit of this. Add the lime juice over here. That's it. And let's now use our to smash this. So smash this like this all nicely. So smash this all together. If you want to use your mixer also, you can use your mixer. It will get smashed. Let this go nicely, this masala to this. Cook this for around with this masala for 15 minutes. Add little bit of this boiled water to this and let it get cooked for around 15 minutes so that everything is cooked nicely. Cover this and cook and your pav bhaji is ready. And how you want, if you want to mash this more, you can mash this more. I will be mashing it more later. And if you want to eat like this only, you can eat like this only. If you want to grind this all into a fine paste in the mixer, you can do that also. Garnish it with some coriander leaves or fenugreek leaves. So here it goes for around 15 minutes on slow fire. I will cook this. And I will eat it with my pav or rice. Thank you. So this is after 15 minutes. It is nicely cooked and everything it is getting nicely mashed. You can see. So this is pav bhaji is ready. And I will add some garlic butter to it. It's optional. If you don't want to have, you don't want to add garlic butter, then its choice is yours. This is just an extra flavor like. That's my butter. And let it get melt on its own. And my bhaji is ready. Hope you will enjoy this.